Today we're making a poached egg. First, we crack an egg carefully into a bowl. This way the eggs will keep their shape and it's easier for you to add it into the water. Now we heat up 1 liter of water and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This keeps the whites from spreading too thin. The key to poaching is a gentle heat, so we turn down the heat and let the water simmer. Now we stir the water and create a vortex. This method is great and will help to create a round shape. Now drop the egg right into the middle. Now let it simmer for 3 minutes for a firm white and liquid yolk. Keep it for longer if you want to have a firmer yolk. Stir the water to prevent it sticking to the bottom. Once the time is up, all that's left to do is scoop it out and drain. A great combination with a poached egg is a fresh guacamole spread on a piece of bread. I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now I just add the poached egg right on top of it. Add some chili flakes and finally some salt. Look at this beautiful runny yolk.